Have you ever gazed at the ocean and wondered about the immense power it holds? What if we could harness that power to generate clean, renewable energy? Welcome to the realm of tidal energy, a subcategory of hydropower that uses the movement of tides to produce electricity. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Minesto's tidal kites, an innovation that's making waves in the renewable energy sector. Picture a kite. Not the kind you see dancing in the sky on a sunny day, but a mechanical one designed to glide through the ocean currents. This is what Minesto, a Swedish marine energy company, has developed. They call it Deep Green, a fitting name for a technology that aims to contribute to a greener future. The construction of a Minesto tidal kite is a marvel of engineering. The kite itself is a winged turbine attached to a tether, which in turn is connected to a bottom joint on the sea floor. The kite, roughly 12 meters in wingspan, is designed to fly in underwater currents, its movement resembling the figure 8. The turbine housed within the kite is activated by the flowing water, generating electricity. The tether plays a crucial role in the functioning of the Minesto tidal kite. It not only anchors the kite to the seabed, but also transfers the electricity generated by the turbine to the grid on shore. The bottom joint, where the tether is connected, allows the kite to move in all directions, ensuring it can adapt to changing sea currents. Now you might wonder, how does such a device withstand the harsh conditions of the ocean? Well, the engineers at Minesto have thought of that too. The kite is constructed from corrosion-resistant materials to withstand the salty seawater, and its robust design allows it to weather the strong underwater currents. One of the key advantages of the Minesto tidal kite is its ability to operate in low-flow tidal streams and ocean currents, a feat not feasible with traditional tidal energy technologies. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for tidal energy, making it a viable renewable energy source even in areas with low tidal ranges. To sum up, the Minesto tidal kite is an innovative approach to harnessing the power of the ocean. Its unique design allows it to fly in underwater currents, generating electricity as it goes. The tether anchors the kite to the seabed and also transfers the electricity to the grid on shore. The kite can withstand the harsh marine environment, and its ability to operate in low-flow tidal streams makes it a game-changer in the renewable energy sector. So, the next time you look at the ocean, think about
that's reshaping our approach to renewable energy. Imagine a graceful kite, not soaring through the sky but gliding beneath the waves. This is no ordinary kite, however. It's a tidal kite, a technological marvel designed to harness the immense power of the ocean's currents. Our journey begins with the construction of these underwater powerhouses. Crafted from robust, lightweight materials such as composite carbon fiber, the body of a tidal kite is built to withstand the harsh underwater environment while maintaining buoyancy. These materials are meticulously shaped into an aerodynamic design, not unlike that of an airplane wing, allowing the kite to fly in the ocean currents. At the heart of the tidal kite lies a turbine. This is no ordinary turbine, though. It's a hydrodynamic masterpiece that can rotate in both directions, capturing energy no matter which way the tide is flowing. But how does a kite stay tethered to the ocean floor, you might ask? Well, that's where the tether comes into play. This sturdy cable not only keeps the kite in place, but also transports the generated energy to a converter on the shore, turning the raw power of the ocean into usable electricity. Once constructed, the tidal kite is ready to be deployed. A vessel carries it out to sea, and then it's carefully lowered to its operational depth. Once there, the kite begins its graceful dance with the ocean currents, diving and ascending in a figure 8 pattern. This movement, coupled with the flow of the water, spins the turbine and generates power. So, let's summarize. The tidal kite, made from robust, lightweight materials, harnesses the power of the ocean's currents. Its aerodynamic design allows it to fly underwater, while its two-way turbine captures energy from the ebb and flow of the tide. The kite is tethered to the ocean floor, and the energy it generates is transported to the shore via a sturdy cable. Once there, the raw power of the ocean is converted into usable electricity. In essence, tidal kites represent a beautiful fusion of technology and nature, harnessing the raw, untamed power of the ocean in a sustainable and efficient way. They are a testament to
tidal kites, as the name suggests, are not children's playthings fluttering in a summer breeze, but rather, they are underwater turbines designed to harness the power of ocean currents. Picture a kite, tethered and submerged in the sea, its movements dictated by the ebb and flow of tidal currents. As the kite moves, it spins a rotor, which in turn generates electricity. The power generated is then transmitted through cables running along the seabed to a land-based station, from where it is distributed to the power grid. This ingenious system allows us to tap into a previously underutilized source of energy, the endless cycle of the tides. Now let us turn our attention to the sky, to the world of Dragon 12. Dragon 12 is a high-altitude wind turbine designed to capture the energy of the powerful winds that blow in the upper reaches of our atmosphere. This turbine, unlike its ground-based cousins, isn't tethered to the Earth but floats freely in the sky, controlled and maneuvered by advanced software systems. As the wind turns the turbine, electricity is generated, which is then transmitted to the ground through a tethering cable. This opens up a new frontier in wind energy, harnessing the untapped power of high-altitude winds. Both Tidal kites and Dragon 12 offer immense potential for renewable energy production. They represent a paradigm shift, taking us away from traditional sources of power towards a future where energy is clean, renewable, and abundant. These technologies not only have the potential to meet our growing energy needs, but also offer a sustainable solution to the pressing issue of climate change. Imagine the potential of these technologies in coastal regions, where the power of the ocean and the wind can be harnessed simultaneously. For countries like India, with its extensive coastline, the opportunities are immense. These technologies can transform coastal communities, providing them with a reliable source of clean energy, and in the process, creating new jobs and stimulating economic growth. In conclusion, Tidal kites and Dragon 12 are not mere concepts, but real, tangible technologies that are changing the way we think about energy. They are shaping a future where power is not just about burning fossil fuels, but about harnessing the immense energy that nature freely provides. They are testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest for sustainable